Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Clear search history button of Safari browser has been grayed out. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Under settings, select Safari. Go down. Here we can see clear history and website data. So right now this option has been disabled. I will show you how to enable it. Go back to settings. Under settings, select screen time. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Tap on content restrictions. Tap on web content. Here we have to select unrestricted. Tap here. Done. Then go back to settings. Under settings, select Safari. Go down. You can see this option, clear history and website data has been enabled. So this way we can fix this issue. Please check it.